The law says that if you're on bond in a county in this county for a felony,
But my felony,
and you commit more felonies, then that judge has to set your bond. I cannot.
Welcome back to another jaw-dropping courtroom breakdown. Today, we're stepping inside a Texas courtroom where three very different defendants face the same judge, but their stories couldn't be more different. First, a young man caught with marijuana, then a repeat offender facing multiple felony charges, including organized criminal activity. And finally, a defiant woman who invokes the Fifth Amendment at every turn. Each moment is charged with tension, legal twists, and a judge who has to balance fairness with the strict letter of the law. Stick with me, because you're about to see how drastically different the outcomes can be when defendants face the very same bench.
You have me, Judge?
There you are, bud.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning to you.
I got two and I got the third one on the way, sir.
All right, sir.
Step forward, one of you.
And your name?
Charles Parks.
All right, hang on a minute, Mr. Parks. I'm getting your paperwork up here.
Yes, sir.
Charles Parks. Charles, I'm Harris Blanchett. I'm the Justice of the Peace here in San Jacinto County.
Yes, sir.
And my job this morning is to tell you why you're in jail.
Yes, sir.
Read your rights and see if we can get you out of jail.
Yes, sir.
You're charged with the offense of possession of marijuana, Class B misdemeanor. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand the charge, possession of marijuana?
No, sir. I know I got caught with some weed, but I don't.
Well, that's what it means. I'm not asking if you did it. I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
wanting to make sure you understand that you're charged with possession of marijuana.
Yes,
They're
sir.
saying the weed you had was marijuana.
Yes, sir.
All right. You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have an attorney present prior to or during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state of Texas. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop talking at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
You need a court-appointed attorney, or you're going to get your own.
I'm not sure yet.
Well, I tell you what, let's put you down for getting a court-appointed attorney, and if you change your mind, you can just come back and let us know. How's that sound?
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
All right. And are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently on a bond for any charges anywhere else?
No, sir.
All right. Hang on just a second. What I'm going to do is you live here in the county,
Yes, sir.
and I know your dad pretty well, and I'm pretty sure I've met you. So I'm going to give you a personal bond, PR bond, to get out.
Yes, sir.
Cost
Appreciate
you
you.
any money. So listen to me carefully, all right?
Yes, sir.
The bond is going to be not going to cost you anything unless you don't show up for court.
Yes, sir.
This is going to be filed in the county court. The county court will send you a notice of when to come to court.
Yes,
If you
sir.
fail to show up for court, you're going to owe them $1,000.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
You have a phone?
Phone number?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hang on just a second. Let me get this down. All right. I wish I got along better with computers. All right. Do you have any questions I can answer for you?
No, sir.
All right. I'll be sending the paperwork over there. You sign that personal bond, and then you can call your dad or somebody to come get you.
All righty. Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Now, this right here is a perfect example of how personal bonds or PR bonds work. The judge actually knows Charles's family, and that plays a role. Instead of sitting in jail waiting for a court date, Charles gets released on his own promise to appear. No upfront money, no bail bondsman. But here's the catch. If he skips court, that free pass turns into a $1,000 debt. The law gives the judge discretion here. He's clearly betting on trust and community ties. Question for you. Do you think Charles got off easy because the judge knows his dad, or was this just fair compassion?
Just walk. Remain on the wall, okay? Come on, Mullins.
Hang on just a second.
Yes, sir.
It's Joshua Mullinex.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Joshua?
Not too well, man. Not too well, upset in my feelings.
Well, this is, I'm Judge Blanchett. I think you remember me.
Yes, sir, I sure do, Judge Blanchett. I remember you well.
Well, what I'm going to do is tell you what you're charged with, read your rights and set your bond,
Yes, sir.
and then let's see what we can do. But, you know, you got some pretty serious charges this time.
Yeah, for something I didn't even really do, man.
Well,
That's why I want to talk to I want to talk to the detective about it, but it's not gonna happen, man.
you'll get an opportunity to talk to the detectives and talk and visit with them and see what you want to do, because you have 3 felony charges against you, and they got your little brother Johnny last night too on the same thing.
Yeah, for something we didn't do, man.
Well, but there's a video of all y'all doing it.
Yeah, I know there's a video of all of us doing it because it was for the family, fool. It was for my family, honestly, Judge Blanchett. We've been going through some things, man. It was to try and feed my family, fool. I'm not even gonna hide it from y'all.
Okay, well, Joshua, let's get this. Let me tell you what you charged with. You read your rights and then set your bonds, okay?
All right.
The first charge is engaging in organized criminal activity. That's a felony in the first degree. You can get life in prison for that.
Well, this is where things get serious. Joshua just found out he's facing organized criminal activity charges, a first-degree felony that can carry up to life in prison. Notice how he immediately defends himself by framing his actions as a way to feed his family. That emotional appeal tugs at sympathy, but legally it doesn't erase the charge. And then bam, the judge drops the bomb. There's actual video evidence. That's the kind of thing that flips a case on its head. What would you do if the evidence directly contradicted your defense? Plead out or fight at a trial.
You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have an attorney present to advise you prior to or during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. You have the right to stop any interview or questioning at any time, and the right to an examining trial. Now, these rights apply to all of your charges, since all of your charges are felonies. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You need a court-appointed attorney?
I already have a court-appointed attorney. I'm out on bond currently.
You already have a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
What case has he been appointed for?
Sir?
For what case has he been appointed for?
I've been appointed for my assault on a police officer and the other ones.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, sir. Only right here in San Jacinto.
Okay. Are you on bond here in San Jacinto County?
Yes, sir. I sure am.
For what?
I'm on bond for assault and assault on a public offense and assault on an officer.
Is it a felony charge?
I only have one felony charge now. Yes, sir.
Is that the pending charge? Is that felony?
Yes, sir. It's pending. I'm taking it. I was gonna take it to trial on the October 1st, but then I ended up in here.
Okay. Well, if you are out on bond for a felony in this county,
here's where the legal complexity kicks in. Joshua doesn't understand why the judge won't set a new bond, but the explanation is crucial. If you're already out on bond for a felony and pick up new felonies in the same county, Only your original judge can set bond for the new charges. This rule prevents defendants from judge shopping for lighter treatment. It's a safeguard in the system, but from Joshua's perspective, it feels like a brick wall. No matter how emotional his plea is, the law ties the judge's hands. That's the hard truth of courtroom procedure.
And you have committed more felonies in this county, I cannot set your bond. Your bond will have to be set by the judge that you're out on court for. What court is that, the 411th or the 258th, or do you know?
I really don't know, honestly.
You don't know which judge it is, Judge Wells or Judge Kitchens?
Kitchens.
Judge Kitchens, that's the 258 District Court. He'll have to set your bond in these three charges. I can't set them, since you're already out on bond. So, all right. Yeah, I don't know how long before Judge Kitchens will set your bonds or what he will set them at. The law says that if you're on bond in the county, in this county for a felony, and you commit more felonies, then that judge has to set your bond. I cannot.
But I got a question. My felony, it's finna be dropped with my charge because I'm taking it to trial. Why can't I get another bond out? I'm literally taking that to trial. It's finna be dropped.
But you're currently on a bond for it.
Yeah, I'm currently out on bond for it, but I'm taking it to trial.
Listen to me carefully, Joshua. If you're out on bond in San Jacinto County and you are arrested for more felonies in San Jacinto County, then that judge whose your case is in court of, he has to be the one to set your bonds. I'm not allowed to.
You understand?
So that's it.
All right, come on.
Thank you.
And here we go, the fireworks. Elizabeth Lewis takes a completely different approach. Total defiance. From the moment her charges are read, she invokes the Fifth Amendment and refuses to engage. Legally, she has the right to remain silent, but her attitude, cutting off the judge, dismissing his authority, works against her. Instead of a PR bond like Charles, she gets slapped with a $2,000 cash bond plus a probation revocation warrant. Her defiance might feel empowering in the moment, but in practice, it locks her deeper into the system. Viewers, let me ask, do you think staying silent was smart here, or did her attitude sink her chances?
Hang on just a second. All right. And you must be Elizabeth Lewis, am I correct?
Yes.
All right. Let me get your paperwork up, Miss Lewis. All right, Miss Lewis, I'm Harris Blanchett. I'm the Justice Peace here in San Jacinto County. I need you to know that you are charged with the offense of possession of marijuana. Do you understand that charge?
Huh? I ain't got no marijuana on me.
I didn't say you had it. I said it's what you're charged with.
No, bullshit. I'm taking fifth on everything. I ain't talking no more. Bye. Go ahead, bye. No.
Miss Lewis?
I'm taking fifth.
Miss Lewis, are you listening? Are you listening to me?
Fifth. I ain't listening to nothing. I'm taking fifth on everything. I ain't signing nothing. I ain't talking nothing. I'm done. Get my attorney.
Miss Lewis, you have the right.
How would I be here when it was a probation violation? No way. I'm done. Fifth Amendment. I know my law. I know law.
You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorney that represents the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop any questioning at any time. I'm going to put down here that you need the court-appointed attorney because and you are a citizen of the United States.
Yes.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No.
All right.
I don't know what's going on. That's my problem. I don't know what the hell they're doing.
Setting your bond in this case at $2,000.
Wow.
There's also
That's
A
crazy.
warrant for your arrest,
Yeah, in Polk County, I guess.
or a motion to revoke your
Yeah, I don't
probation.
care. I'm taking a fifth. I want my attorney. I ain't doing nothing. I don't care what it takes to get me out. I don't give a fuck. I just want an attorney. Because I'm fighting
You've
so
already read the same rights, and so that judge has set your bond at a $2,000 cash bond.
I don't give a shit. Give me a fifth. I don't care. Send me back to my cell.
Bye.
3 defendants, 1 courtroom, 3 very different outcomes. Charles walked out on a free bond, relying on the judge's trust. Joshua was left in limbo, waiting on a higher court to decide his bond because of prior felonies. And Elizabeth, her refusal to cooperate ended with a cash bond and probation trouble. This case is a crystal clear look at how attitude, prior records, and legal rules all collide in real time. If you found this courtroom showdown as shocking as I did, make sure to hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.